What's poppin', my G's? There's nobody helping black people, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to inform people of political issues that's going on. You know, people always say, oh, my vote doesn't matter, oh, my vote's not going to change nothing. You're right. If you don't get out and vote, it won't change anything. You know, if you don't have enough people voting in the right area, it won't change anything. But because we don't know of these things, I mean, we live in a cycle of the same. You know what I'm saying? We need dentists, we need lawyers, we need teachers, we need real estate agents. We need our people to infiltrate, and not infiltrate and be on the other side, but to infiltrate and stand for us and be an advocate for us and advocate and show us that we can be more than just ghetto and fighting and cursing and block parties and smoking and drinking all day long. Help create a better world, because in fact this is the world that we live in.